Hello students, I am Ashish De. I am taking one of your subject, that is digital communication. In my earlier video, I have shown some waveforms of different line coding formats. In this video also, we will practice some waveform drawing of different line coding type. Okay, the line codings are basically polar, non-return to zero or return to zero type, unipolar, return to zero, non-return to zero type, alternative mark inversion type, Manchester format, split phase Manchester, M array type. So different types of waveforms are available. Okay, suppose in this example, suppose the bit stream is given by suppose the bit stream is given by 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, so at first individual bits are separated by drawing cells, right? So here are some division of bits. Okay, so at first we have to draw dotted line for each cell. Okay, so here will be the dotted line, here will be some dotted line for half section. Okay, so these are the dotted lines. Okay, at first suppose we have to draw polar non-return to zero type waveforms. Okay, so this is the polar non-return to zero type waveform. In this waveform we are saying that non-return to zero means it does not return to the zeroth level, that means this level. Okay, suppose the total amplitude is a, then in case of polar non-return to zero type waveform, the amplitude a is divided by a by 2 and minus a by 2, right? Now here the bit streams are first two bits are ones. Okay, so for these ones the value will be positive 1 because it is polar, so it will be positive a by 2 here. So here will be a by 2 because this is 1. Okay, now since this is does not return to 0, so it does not return to 0 here. Okay, now when the bit is 0, then it goes to negative side, so that will be minus a by 2 and it will continues up to here because there are two successive zeros. Okay, again there will be a continuation of positive amplitude up to this portion. Okay, so here is minus a by 2, the amplitude is minus a by 2, right? And here is also 0, so here will be minus a by 2 amplitude. Okay, and for 1 there will be positive amplitude, that is a by 2. This is time axis, so indicated by small t. Okay, so this waveform is basically polar non-return to 0 NRZ type waveform, right? Now another waveform is unipolar return to 0 type. Okay, so for unipolar return to 0 type waveform, the waveform looks like this is the time axis. Okay, here the amplitude will be total amplitude, that is A. Okay, so for 1 it will be A up to the half portion because it is returned to 0 type. Okay, so here will be A and it will return to 0 after half section. Okay, again for this one it will be A, the amplitude will be A and it returns to 0. Okay, now here is 0, so there will be no amplitude. Now here is 1, so here the amplitude will be A and it returns to 0 after half section. Okay, here will also be A and will return to 0 after half section. Okay, and this is 0 because here is the 0. Sorry, this will be here will be 0, so this will be 0, here will be A. Okay, so here will be 0, this will be basically 0 because this is the half section, first half, this is the second half of 1. So in the first half only there will be A, first positive amplitude A, but in the second half there will be the absence of amplitude. Okay, so this is unipolar return to 0 type waveform, unipolar return to 0, that is RZ waveform. Okay, and this is the 0th level. Okay, now alternative mark inversion, as I have shown in the earlier video that alternative mark inversion, this is the time axis T. Okay, in alternative mark inversion there will be a full amplitude of A. Okay, but if it is return to 0 or non return to 0, and that has to be remember. Okay, that has to be remember, this is return to 0 or non return to 0. Suppose this is non return to 0, then the full amplitude will be A for 1. Okay, so when the bit is 1, the amplitude will be A, here positive A, right? And in the next bit, that is 1, it will just alternate its value or inverts its value into minus A. So A is inverted by minus A in the successive bit, in the next bit. Okay, so this is minus A, right? And it will goes up to here. Now this is the 0, so for 0 there will be no result and it will goes to 0. Okay, 0 and it will continue up to here. Now there is a 1, there is a 1, so in for this one there will be a alternate amplitude. So here is minus A, the next amplitude will be plus A, so here will be plus A. Okay, here will be plus A, right? Now in the next one it will be minus A. So it is just alternating its amplitude for every high values of the bit. Okay, now there is a 0, so here will be 0 value. Okay, so this is the waveform of AMI, alternate mark inversion. Okay, non return to 0 type, NRZ type, right? So AMI NRZ type. Now Manchester format. In the Manchester format, this is time axis. Okay. Now in the Manchester format, always when the bit is 1, it will starts from positive peak, that is a by 2, and goes in the second half of the bit up to negative peak, that is minus a by 2 for 1. And for 0, it will starts from minus a by 2 and goes up to plus a by 2, right? So here we will start from plus a by 2 to minus a by 2 because the bit is 1. So this is a by 2 and the value is minus a by 2, right? Now in the next bit the same thing will be repeated. Here will be in the first half positive a by 2 and this is negative a by 2. Okay, now the next bit is 0, so it will continue up to here in the next half of the bit and positive will be here. Okay, this is positive a by 2. Now again it will starts from minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. Okay, now the next bit is 1, so it will continue up to here and it will be minus a by 2. Again there is a 1, so here will be positive a by 2 and negative a by 2. Now the next bit is 0, so it will continue up to here and here will be the positive a by 2 amplitude. Okay, so the amplitude is positive a by 2 here and here is the amplitude negative a by 2. This is Manchester format. Manchester, Manchester format. So you have to remember all these things. So what we learn from this video, we learn different types of line coding waveforms drawing. Okay, we draw basically polar in non-return to 0 type, unipolar return to 0 type, AMI, that is alternate mark inversion non-return to 0 type waveform, and for Manchester format what will be the waveform, that is this. Okay.